Okay, boys, so you know I had the shift light adjusted. That's the startup right there. Everything looking good. I was playing with this earlier today. Don't mind the check engine light. Alright, so she cold right now. So we're gonna go to settings. Every time you press to go in and out of a function, that comes up like that. And it goes back to the RPMs. So we're gonna go into the first one. And the first one, menu, brightness. Alright, we're on brightness right now. Select that. And then we got it turned all the way down to 1 right now. So I'm rocking the blue, red, white, and blue, or blue, red, and white. Look pretty sick though, but we finna change that. I'm gonna get rid of the red though. Okay, dimmer. We can turn this, we can crank this all the way up. That's max 15. Which is way too bright right now, but yeah, I gotta have this thing turned. I use it all the way on 1, bro. That's 1 right there. I cannot roll with this shifted in my face. Like, that's just way too bright. So leave it on 1. And then go to activation. It's activated at, we're gonna leave it off. We're gonna leave it low right now. We're just gonna adjust the colors, and then I can show you guys. All right, so activation is at like 2200. Shift RPMs, we can skip that. Smoothing, we can skip that. Pulse rotation, we can skip that. Number of LEDs, we can skip that. And then color segment. That's the first one. Now check this out. Let me move the steering wheel. Alright. So right now we can turn them all the way down like that. We can just go full blue to white. So this is how it's gonna react, you know, how the light is gonna react. We can change this though. So look, this is selecting how many LEDs is gonna light up. So we're gonna use like, alright, blue, and then we're gonna have like 2 red. Well, matter of fact, let me see. I don't think I want no other color in there, to be honest. I just want red and blue. I just want white and blue. So select that. Go to the next one. Activation mode. Basically, how I want my LED to come through. In and out, all the way down, in and out, bottom to top, out to center. Matter of fact, we're gonna go up top. Color 1. We can change this color to any color we want right here. We can have all white. Red, obviously. I can have just one LED cut on, like literally just one LED cut on. Go back to blue. Alright, blue looking nice. Color 2. Blue and purple, oh my gosh, dude. I hope this is coming up on camera. Go all blue. All blue to red. Oh, that look nice. That blue and red looks. Oh, I like that a lot. I like that a lot, dude. Like. So it'll go up to blue, black out, then the red will hit, then the whole LEDs will flash. That would be sick. Oh my gosh, that is so dope, bro. Matter of fact, we're gonna leave it like that. We ain't gonna have no white in it. And then color 3, which is the top LED at the very top. I can skip it like that. Oh my gosh, that green, guys. Oh man, this thing is so dope, bro. Shift color. Obviously, I like red. Red is like, you know, danger to manifold, Johnny. RPMs, and then we'll go for a drive. All right, boys, so we got everything set. I got it set at 6,000 to shift just for now, you know, so I don't want to rev all the way to 7 just for it to cut on for you guys. So let's go for a drive and see how she looks. I'm on that street speed 717 shit right now. with the little clip on the hat. Working good, baby, working good. So that's the shift light, boys. Love it. I think I'm gonna fumble with it a little bit more. You know, just showing y'all different little features. I'm gonna keep it like this for a while, but I'm gonna touch up on it right now. It's a little bit of something I want to change. But yeah, it's your boy SI Rico. I might be dark right now. You barely can see me probably, but hey, hope you guys love it. Recommend the Chippernut Shift light. Oh my gosh, yes I do. But rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one though. I'm out. Peace.